So if you're having problems with Shopify here and a product is not showing up on your Shopify page or your homepage or in any listing here, well, there are a few things that you may want to check. First things first is you want to check the status of your product. So at the left side, you want to go to products. You want to go and just select the product that you may want to manage. For example, let's go and choose this one. First things first, you want to go and just go to status. Now, make sure that the status is set to active. Now, if you set this to draft or even unlisted, the product will not appear on your Shopify page or your store. So that's why making sure that they are active is the first step here. And also, you may want to manage the publishing. Now, depending on your product, in some cases, you could just sell that product on point of sale if you want to use Shopify for managing your inventory. But if you do select or if you want to make sure that product also appears on your Shopify page, well, you need to make sure that you click on the filter icon here under publishing. So at the right side, again, still in the product page here, and you want to make sure that online store is actually enabled. So once you have this enabled, click on done, and that should be good. And also, want to make sure that the amount or at least the different. By the way, this is just like a side thing, so it doesn't necessarily affect, but just in case you could go and do that, I'll just make sure. So at the left side here in your variants, you could go and click on the plus button, click on bulk edit, and you just need to make sure that you have enough in hand of that product. So how much you have right now on this location here, and also just make sure you have like all the deeds correct. Make sure that you have a pricing on it. So just in case. But yeah, let's go and click on back here. So once you do have a pricing on it, the status is active, publishing is set to online store as well, you should be good. But in some cases, it may be because of you using collections. Now, if you're not aware yet, collections are a great way for you to filter a bunch of things here. So in my case, like I'm using a specific collection here that basically filters out any products that does not, or at least they have like above a zero pricing on them. So as long as the price is not zero, the product would appear. So again, just make sure that your product is also included in here. Like adjust a few things, like add another tag on that collection, so that every time that you access your store, and that specific collection is shown, your product would actually appear. Now, also, if you want to manage this yourself, you could actually add or create your own collection to add those manually. By the way, this just to give you some idea, I'm going to add a new collection. Let's choose manually here, and you can go and just start adding your products. So maybe like add your product name here, and you should be able to add that in here. So yeah, so just make sure that the collection also is able to accommodate the product that you want to show. Because just to give you some idea, I'm going to go to online store here. Let's go to themes, click on customize. So if you go to your homepage and select one of your sections, as you can see right now, I'm actually showing the featured collection, the featured collection products collection here. So basically, my every product included in that collection will be shown in here. So if you want to replace that with a different one that you just recently created, you could go ahead and just choose that one for yourself. So you could go and just make sure that one product would actually appear in your Shopify store. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.